Here's how to set alerts on Robinhood. So if you want to be alerted if a stock price goes up or down or anything like that, then you're going to need to find a stock to set your alerts on. So just pick whatever stock you had in mind. I'm just going to throw out Microsoft, if I can find it, right down here. And then once you're on that stock landing page, in the upper portion of your screen, you'll see a bell with a plus. That is to add an alert. And on this page, you might find what I found, which is that you can't even add an alert if your notifications aren't turned on. So you'll want to open your settings. You can actually click that. It'll take you right to your settings, and you'll want to turn on notifications for Robinhood. So you allow notifications, and then from there, let's see if we can get this back the way I want it. We're going to go back to Robinhood, and now we can actually create an alert. You see the button here at the bottom. So we're going to add an alert, and we're going to add an alert for whether the price moves above or below a certain amount. I'm going to click moves above. The current price is 496, so I'm going to say, let me know when it goes up above 500. I can click save on that, and now you can see that I have this alert in here. I can click this little pencil icon to edit that anytime. I can turn it on or off. If we go back, I can turn that on or off. I can also set these indicator alerts, so we can add an alert in here, and that is going to be some different stuff. So if you're familiar with some of this, you can just add an indicator in here or turn on different indicator alerts here for Microsoft. Yeah, so that's how you can set alerts on Robinhood.